I was in Dubai and the United Arab Emirates, and the downtown area is what I would try to see today, but some things put an end to that plan. I woke up inside the Hilton Hotel, outside of the downtown area, and it was my very first day in the country, so I didn't know how anything worked.
Hello! Welcome to another video. I'm back to traveling again. I'm in Dubai. I came in here to the Hilton Hotel and I'll be here for 1 week in this hotel. If I like it, then I might stay longer in Dubai. I probably will stay longer. I'll go somewhere else. But today I just had breakfast down here at the lobby. Really good breakfast. Got a bunch of fried potatoes and ham and cheese and sandwiches and yogurt. And I also, one thing I wanted to say when I came into the airport yesterday, I wanted to say that they gave you a free SIM card at the airport when I went through the immigration. So that's really good. Free SIM card with 1 gigabyte of data. So today I'm gonna go and check out this swimming pool here on top, jump in and cool off a bit, and then also go and buy a weekly train pass. I think there's a sky train or I don't know what you call it, tram or sky train.
There is a super modern metro in Dubai that goes all the way from the airport to the downtown area and the marina, as well as the beach area. Basically the whole city was built since the year 2000 and has totally exploded in growth.
Yeah, so we're gonna get on the train and figure out how that works, and also just explore Dubai a bit. In my coming videos I will be going to Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest building in the whole world. And I will also go to the palm. It's a huge palm. It looks like a palm tree outside from the main area where the land is. And the Dubai Mall and the marina and a bunch of other things you can do here. There's so much to do in Dubai, so I think I'm gonna end up staying here probably a lot longer than what I initially planned. But we have to make sure we bring water today, because this place is located in the middle of a desert. In the 1950s there were 20,000 people here, and now there are more than 3 million people. 43 Celsius, 110 Fahrenheit. Whoa! Come along with me. Ease your pain.
So you can stay in Dubai for not all that expensive, because there are so many hotels here, like thousands of hotels. The only 7-star hotel in the world is here in Dubai, Burj Al Arab. Here is the first swimming pool at the Hilton. I think there's another one on top, but I want to check out this one first here. Quite nice here, but we have to get up to the top also. Here is also a bar. I think it's open in the nighttime. Fisherman's Hub. Now I'm on the way up to the top floor. See what we can find there. Really good gym here actually. A bunch of stuff. I think I'm gonna go here later today. A bunch of dumbbells over there. And actually I think there was no other swimming pool, so we're going down there again. To the one down there. The frying is deep. Very deep frying today. "5 minutes and you have to jump in again to the water." It's quite hot, but not too hot. 25 minutes at the pool and I feel fried. Now we gotta go and get the train pass, so I can use that every day from now on. Oh, it's hot out there. I'm almost ready to head out. It wasn't as hot as I thought, but if you start walking, you'll probably feel the frying. when you come out, it's like you hit a wall. It's like you go from a fridge to a desert. I don't know how to explain it. It's like, even though it was so hot, I still liked it. The taxi driver yesterday told me it was 50 Celsius here last month. I don't know how many Fahrenheit that is, like 120 something. Pharmacy. Actually, I need to eat something. We're gonna go to Chicken Tikka Inn. I got some yogurt here. Yogurt and a tomato in the middle and some onion. This was the chicken biryani. It consists of rice, a bunch of mixed veggies, chicken, and a lot of different spices. It tasted really good. I came out of the restaurant. The food was actually good. 27 dirham. I don't know how much it comes out to. Let me think. I don't know. Now we have to find the train station. One cool thing here is you see these boxes here, whatever you call it. You can sit there if you need some AC. I just opened one and there's AC inside. If you get too hot and you need a break. Here we have the train. It goes about 100 feet above the ground, 30 meters or so it looks like, and it goes all through the city and also along the beach and all the way down to the Palm and also downtown Dubai and the marina. I looked at the weather earlier. It said 43 degrees Celsius today. Let's see how we can get into the metro station here. It's like a huge thing. So I just paid 130 dirham for the card and yeah, a 1 week train pass, unlimited train pass. You can go on any train, any bus all over Dubai. 130 dirham. Here is the station, really modern. All glass doors, and then you have to go through the doors to get in. I realized that I was quite far away from the downtown area and all the skyscrapers. I wanted to just try the metro for today, so I got out not far after I got into it. Google Maps was showing the metro route, and I wouldn't make it to the downtown area today, unfortunately. I got out of the metro station and there's an escalator actually going up. Inside all the subway stations they have like small supermarkets with a bunch of snacks. Pretty good. I got out somewhere here. I'm gonna walk around a bit and see what we can do. This seemed to be a bit of the older part of the town, but still really nice and clean. Here's a really good thing. They have purified drinking water here for anybody to drink. They have these small stations all over the park and it says on the side, purified drinking water. Quite impressive that a country located in the desert can purify salt water from the sea into perfect drinking water. There's mostly sand in this area of the world, and around the UAE are other countries such as Pakistan, Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, Iran and Iraq. This suburb was really impressive and interesting. The UAE is on the top 5 of the richest countries in the world and makes a lot of money from exporting oil. 90% of the people living in Dubai are actually not from Dubai, but foreigners from all parts of the world. So today I've talked to about 6 or 7 people, but I have not been able to film that. They have all been from Nepal, India and Pakistan. Nobody from Dubai so far. I met somebody here named Ram that has seen my videos from Nepal. And he told me that we are here in
Nepali Park.
Nepali Park. Here is Nepali Park. People from Nepal. He had seen my videos from the Maldives and now we met here in Dubai. We're going for a little walk here and there was one guy or 3 people that had recognized me from the videos.
I'm a bit disappointed for not going all the way to the downtown area. It was right there. And what an incredible skyline with the 830 meter or 2,700 feet tall building, Burj Khalifa, that you'll see more of in a few days. I'm taking the train back. I'm back and I realized that I am staying quite far out from the downtown area. But it was nice to see the train and see how that works. Now we just have to go to the grocery store, get some snacks, and maybe go for a workout at the gym. Seem to have quite a lot of stuff here. Hello! Chips, a bit of bread, water, and also some other stuff. I'm back! It was a good first day exploring a bit of the city and learning how the train works. And also everybody speaks perfect English here, I've noticed. And a lot of people from Pakistan, Nepal, and also India. Should I go to the gym or should I go to the gym? That's the question. Oh, you want me to be? My banana is not ripe. We're going to the gym now. Now. All the way up to the top. When I go to the gym, I do every single machine I can find. As many repetitions and sets as I can until I'm exhausted. I want cold water now. It was so hot outside all day. Now we're going to eat again. Nom, 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 nom. We have to eat so we can grow and gain some muscle, more muscle. We're gonna try this restaurant here. I got some kind of chicken and rice, but it was really spicy. However, very tasty, and a bunch of different kind of spices that I didn't recognize. The money is the dirham or the AED. Here are a few of the bills. I'm so full. Oh, I can barely walk. And I had again some kind of chicken. It seems like it's very typical. You get chicken. You get so much also. The portions are always huge. Bunch of rice and chicken and spicy stuff. But thanks for watching this video. In the next video, as I said earlier in this video, I'll be going to some more exciting places. We have a couple of different exciting places that we will be exploring while I'm here in Dubai. So thanks for watching this video, and as always, thumbs up for the video if you liked it, and also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of Dubai. But see you next time, my friends. See you next time.